So hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, hi, my name is Deborah Boms and you are so welcome to this channel. So in this video, I'm actually coming in with this beautiful and gorgeous wig courtesy of Yolissa. So this wig is completely 100% glueless, and guess what, it comes pre-styled. It comes as a ready to wear wig. It comes like a wear and go, if that makes sense. So it just comes with everything done for you, and what I mean is it comes with these curls. Like I didn't have to do any of the curls. It comes with the lace already cut, it comes with the knots already bleached for you, and again it comes with the hairline plucked. Like what else do you need to do in terms of installation? Everything has been done. Like it comes as a ready to wear wig. Everything has been done. Like take a look at these curls. I'm sorry, what? Now I'm gonna show you guys how easy of an installation process this was for me. So if you are interested, then you want to keep on watching this video. Okay, so let's actually get into the details of this wig. So this wig was sent by Yolissa, and this is what it looks straight out the box. It's a 5x5 closure body wave wig, and it comes with these curls. Like let's just take a moment here and just appreciate these curls. I mean, my hands can easily run through them. They look so bouncy and so juicy and gorgeous at the same time. It looks so good. This is what the front of the wig looks like. So the lace already comes cut for you in a very distinct way, like in a very unique way, to be honest. And this is what the knots look like. So the knots have already been bleached for you. So it comes pre-bleached, it comes pre-cut. I mean, yeah. So this is what the frontal looks like. So the frontal has already been plucked for you. If you're a beginner, this wig is for you because you literally don't have to do anything. You just put it on your head, wear it, and you are off. Like you're going to wherever you need to go to. There is not much installation to be done. Okay, so it comes with the clips which you can use to just secure your wig and make sure that it doesn't move or it doesn't fall off. So the wig comes with 3 hooks, 1 at the back and 2 on the sides, along with the elastic band which is at the back, just so that everything is secure. And this is what the inside looks like. It looks really neat, and it was neatly sewn basically. So alongside the wig, they also sent me a pair of lashes, these branded bands, this one as well, and some satin storage bag for the wig, a styling brush, wig caps, as well as a care manual. So now let's just get into the installation process. So I used my hair wax to basically just slick down my edges, nothing too serious, just to lay it down and make sure that the whole frontal or the front of the wig looks really flat. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I use. I use the hair wax because it helps in keeping my edges flat. That's what I use for my edges on a normal day. So I went ahead to put on my wig cap. This one is very close to my skin tone, and then I also went ahead to just pop on the wig, and you guys are really going to see how easy it is and how it just sits and how it just fits perfectly. So I went ahead to use the elastic band first, and then I just pull the hair back and use the clips at the back to just clip it in, and then I also went ahead to do the same on the side. So this is the side clip, so I'm just going to use that to secure it onto my cornrows underneath, and then I'll do that on the other side as well. And this is what it's looking like. So we haven't done much, but this is what it's looking like. Okay. I did not realize, I've just been focused on installing this thing, and I did not realize how beautiful this looks. What? We've not even seen the full length. Okay, just hold on. Okay, so like I said in the beginning of this video, this hair or this wig is actually glueless. You don't have to use a got-to-be spray, but personally I really wanted to use a got-to-be spray just so that the lace looks very flat and melted on my skin. So you can skip this step if you don't want to stress too much about it. To be honest, you don't need this step, but I decided to use it. So what I did was just spray some got-to-be on my hair, then I went in with my blow dryer to just dry that down a little bit, and then I placed the wig on top of that just so that it was more secure and all. You can feel free to use more got2b spray as you want, just so that it's more secure, and then it kind of helps the lace to melt down, if that makes sense. So that was what I did, and then I went in with the bands and just tied it up, just so that it helped with melting down the lace and just making it flat. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now, and it looks secured. It looks like, you can see how secured it looks on my hair. This again is something that you might not want, so it's not a must, but I went in with my foundation and my powder just so that I could blend this with my skin, and it looks more flawless, if that makes sense. So yeah, you can feel free use your foundation shade or your, well, I would say foundation shade, just so that it blends with your skin. So yes, I went in with my curling iron just to flatten the top of the hair. It really didn't need much flattening, to be honest. So this is what the closure is looking like right now. I tried to do some baby hair, and then I went in with this wax stick just so that I could take away the flyaways. As you can see, some strands were just flying, so I had to use the wax stick to just lay them down. And then after doing that, I went in with the hot curling iron again and just apply that, or just use that to melt everything down together, okay, so that it looks more flawless. So this is just me brushing this wig, and you can see the curls. You see how it bounces back. You guys, let me know your thoughts about this wig in the comment section right now. As you're watching this right now, let me know your thoughts, because I am stunned. I'm just in love, to be honest. This is what it's looking like, and yeah. I decided to try out the claw clip, and I wanted to do this because just to give you guys like an idea. So if you feel like you don't want the hair to be so long, maybe because you're in a very hot environment or something, and you just need the hair out of your face or something, you can use this claw clip. It's a trend right now, so you just use the claw clip and just clip it at the back, and this is what it's looking like. It's actually giving elegant and stylish, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys like an option. This is me just showing you guys that this can be glueless if you don't want to use the glue. This is actually me after using got2b, and I just took it out. So that's how easy it is. If you don't want to use a glue, you don't have to use the got2b. If you do want to use it, when you're out and you're back home, you can just take the wig out, like you can just yank it off. There is no glue that is going to keep it on your hair for days. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Again, like I said, it is glueless. You can use it without the glue, you can use it with the glue if you wish, and yeah. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed styling this wig, well, installing this wig. Like, I enjoyed doing this video because this hair is giving what I needed to give. Like I love the curls. I love how light this hair feels. It's not too heavy. Like, it's just very light, and I would really recommend this. 100% recommend you guys to get this wig. But if you want to get this wig, the link to the wig is going to be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out. Also, you can actually go on the website and browse, find a lot of other things that you like and just add to cart. Like, why not? You can, right? You can do that. You can just add to cart. So so yeah, I'm gonna put the link again, like I said, in the description box. Go onto the website, get this wig, because if you're someone who is a beginner and you don't know how to cut laces, you're a beginner, you don't know how to style wigs, you don't know how to use a curling iron, you don't know how to do anything, this wig is just for you. Like, look how, I mean, you saw the video, so you know how easy of a process this was. Yeah, that's pretty much what I want to tell you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if you like it, if it's something that you would go for. And if you enjoyed this video, please let me know down in the comment section as well, and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, it helps me with the algorithm, so give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, you are so welcome. I'm pretty sure you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe to the channel and stick around for more content, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.